Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Did you ever thought that you can make a chocolate chip cookie, the famous chocolate chip cookie, in such manner that it's actually healthy and good for your health? Well, I did, and I came up with this recipe that promises you this melting in the mouth effect chocolate chip cookie, so tender and nice. Please check the list of ingredients and the preparation mode from the description or comment of this video, and let's get started. Let's create this delicious giant chocolate chip cookie together. Okay guys, so we will use coconut milk that we will mix with the sweetener. I've used xilitol sweetener with vanilla bourbon flavor. Also added a pinch of salt because salt in generally enhances the flavors in your food, and I always use it even for sweet desserts. Then I've added the buckwheat flour, which is the gluten-free flour from this recipe, and I continually mix with my spatula to incorporate that in my dough. For extra chocolate flavor, add 5 grams of cacao powder. Also, as I mentioned, in my flour the baking soda is already present, so I don't have to add it, but that aspect in detail is already mentioned in the description with the preparation mode of this recipe. So we continue adding the almond milk that has the psylium husk, so this will work as a bonding agent for our cookie, and it is a mandatory and very important ingredient because our cookie should hold. And at the end we add the walnuts and the chocolate chips. I use this time some vegan sugar-free chocolate, and I use about 20 grams, but you feel free to use as much as you want, as you wish. And then I had to incorporate this very well into our dough. You'll see that the consistency of this dough is very nice, it's very tender, and it is easy to work with. We will have the possibility to actually make it into a ball, and it's quite firm. We can form it with no problem. So what I did, I just created the size of my cookie as I wanted to. The thickness, it was decided by me, so I wanted a little bit more thick cookie. Yeah, this is the concept of this chocolate chip cookie, but feel free to have it thinner if you'd like. And afterwards, in a preheated oven with 10 minutes before this, I baked my cookie for 18 to 20 minutes, about 170 Celsius degrees, and it turned out in this amazing, delicious, soft and tender chocolate chip cookie, guys. I do hope you try this recipe and comment in the video with your result. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. Bye!